Samsung has officially revealed the Galaxy Z Trifold, a device that represents a major milestone in foldable technology. After years of fold and flip models, the brand is finally stepping into a new form factor with its first ever triple-fold phone. The Trifold is Samsung's answer to a futuristic device that can shift from a normal phone to a large screen instantly, while maintaining durability and practicality for everyday use. This device isn't just a design experiment. Samsung has shared an in-depth video that walks through the engineering, testing, and thought process behind the phone. The video highlights how complex it is to build a phone that folds twice and how much innovation is hiding behind each segment of the display. Samsung is already known as a leader in the foldable market, with the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip lines reaching their 7th generation. But the Galaxy Z Trifold is a different challenge altogether. It marks Samsung's debut in the triple-fold category and becomes the world's second triple-fold phone, following Huawei's Mate X-T that launched last year. The design and testing procedures shown in Samsung's video reveal just how much work goes into making such a device reliable. The Trifold showcases some of Samsung's most advanced engineering yet, combining precision robotics, automated systems, and experienced craftsmanship. The key difficulty is managing multiple hinges and ensuring that each fold behaves consistently over time. To meet those challenges, Samsung used highly specific machines and strict testing methods. One of the main tests highlighted is the 200,000 cycle multi-folding test, which essentially means folding the device over 100 times a day for 5 years. This benchmark is meant to simulate real-life use and prove that the hinges can survive thousands of motions without degrading. Alongside this stress test, the phone also goes through other scenario-based trials to mimic everyday conditions. A unique aspect of the Trifold is its hinge system. Instead of using identical parts, Samsung designed 2 different sized armor flex hinges, each optimized for its placement in the device. These are assembled by advanced automated machines that aim to deliver consistency and precision. The tolerances are extremely tight because one flaw in hinge mechanics can lead to creases, misalignment, or long-term structural damage. The inner display is another engineering challenge. Samsung uses a specialized attachment process to bond the display layers and keep the panels smooth. To guarantee perfect surface quality, a 3D laser scanning technique checks the entire display for even the smallest defects. The result is a 10-inch screen that promises a near cinematic experience when fully unfolded, offering a tablet-like viewing environment in a shape that can still fit inside a pocket. The level of inspection doesn't end there. One of the more interesting processes Samsung revealed involves its internal components. High-speed CT scans are used on the flexible printed circuit boards to verify that they match the design perfectly before being connected to the displays. This step makes sure the internal wiring is accurate and secure, preventing problems that could arise later when the phone is exposed to actual users and their unpredictable habits. While all of this takes place in a clean and controlled environment, Samsung acknowledges that true durability will only be proven after the product is released. Foldable devices have always faced the question of longevity, and a triple-fold device raises even more curiosity. The technology is impressive, but real-world life is messy, full of dropped phones, dust, and constant motion. Samsung is reportedly preparing to launch the Galaxy Z Trifold in the United States early next year. Pricing hasn't been officially announced yet, but expectations are high. A device with this much engineering is naturally going to be expensive. However, Samsung has already confirmed one major benefit for customers: a one-time 50% discount on display repairs. That perk could save buyers a significant amount of money, especially since foldable screens are known to be costly. Offering a repair discount also suggests that Samsung understands the risks associated with early adoption. Even though the display is tested to last through 200,000 folds, unexpected issues can still occur, especially when a brand is introducing a new form factor. Screens are often the most fragile part of foldable phones, so this move reduces some anxiety for customers who are willing to invest in cutting-edge hardware. The Trifold entering the US market is a major moment, especially because US users haven't had access to Huawei's Mate X-T. Due to political and trade restrictions, Huawei cannot sell its triple-fold phone in the States. Even if someone imported one, software limitations could make the experience less polished than what its premium hardware promises. Samsung, on the other hand, is able to offer full Android support and provide a seamless ecosystem in regions where Huawei faces barriers. The early reactions to the Trifold are mixed, mostly due to questions about durability. Many people are curious but cautious, wondering if a phone that folds twice can survive daily life. The engineering looks solid, but skepticism is natural when a product introduces a form factor that almost feels futuristic. Foldable technology already pushes limits, and adding another hinge doubles those concerns. The Galaxy Z Trifold is not going to be a mainstream device at launch. It has a complex design, a premium build, and likely a high price tag, which makes it more suitable for enthusiasts, early adopters, and power users who always want the newest technology regardless of potential issues. For those who enjoy experimenting with new hardware, this device is going to feel like a dream gadget. The engineering video, regardless of marketing intentions, highlights how much effort is put into making a modern smartphone functional, durable, and attractive. It reveals a side of the tech industry that most people rarely see: machines scanning every component, robots assembling microscopic parts, and engineers testing every possible scenario. The Galaxy Z Trifold represents more than another smartphone. It signals a shift in how mobile devices might evolve, from single displays to adaptable hardware that can change shape depending on needs. Whether it becomes a successful mainstream product is uncertain, but as a showcase of engineering and innovation, it stands out as one of the most ambitious devices Samsung has ever created.